think I'll just wait here.
What are you doing? Wakey, wakey! Let's go have some fun!
How does it feel to see an exact replica of your... what's that? You know, the one with the ring.
It's the ring's interface.
I was
and
ready
I'm
to
changing
miss
the path.
That's how
Just
surprised I
by
am.
moving circles around?
Holy moly! Look, it's a clone.
It'll go.
What a nice big button. I really want to press it. Can I?
Can, if you're fast enough, that is. But first, take a seat. Can I come with you?
The answer is simple.
I can?
You can't.
What was your plan anyway?
Plan? What plan?
Oh, right. You've lost your memories. Can I press the button?
Here. I absolutely love this game. We just need one more thing. It's somewhere in my inventory. Are you trying to prank me? Just a sec. Looking at your frowns, though. Well,
Don't you get tired of wearing that cap all the time?
That this is an adult
And
game.
don't your hands get... What was that?
What? You don't
Why not
know?
take them off?
Still beaver?
Really now? I haven't seen any beavers around here.
Huh? Beavers? Or should I take something else off?
I wasn't
Let's just
joking.
move on. I want to start the game.
Whatever. But... Ow!